Hello friends, I am Adhrit and I want to tell you about the migratory animal Eurasian lynx. Its scientific name is lynx. I selected the Eurasian lynx because I like wild cats a lot. If you want to know where Eurasian lynxes are found, then most of them are found in Russia. Based on this map, you can see that the dark purple areas have resident populations and only the light purple areas have a possibly resident population. They are found from Norway to China. As I mentioned before, they are found mostly in Russia. If you want to know how Eurasian lynxes are specially adapted to surviving in the snow, so they have very thick fur to protect them from the cold weather, which they live in. So then, if you look at the photo here, you can see the sketch of the skull. You can see after the big canines, there is a gap between the canines and the other teeth. Also, you can see that they have ear tufts because they are for communicating with other lynxes. Also, you may think that lynxes are quiet animals now, but you will be wrong. Lynxes can roar, purr, growl, and growl. Lynxes and their family. Lynxes usually have 1 to 8 cubs. Newborn kittens weigh around 15 ounces. Isn't that very light? The cubs nurse up to 4 to 5 months. They usually inherit their mother's territory, and if they can, they will extend the borders of the territory. What do you lynxes eat? Their main food and favorite food is reindeer. But reindeers are migratory animals. So the Eurasian lynxes migrate along with its prey and then come back to their territory after making a kill. Here I have drawn 2 territories of 2 different lynxes. More darker green means more grass, so more reindeer will be attracted to the grass. Also, each dark brown dot means one herd. So the lynx with more dark green territory has a choice of more herds. But the lynx too with light green territory has less reindeer herds to pick from. In this case, it's 4. So the possibility of lynx to migrating is small. These are migratory routes of Eurasian lynxes from 2 studies. The black arrows mean migratory barriers, so the migration just stops there. And white arrows mean migratory corridors. Migratory corridors mean that the Eurasian lynxes can pass safely through there. Differences.